When you're drowning, you don't actually inhale until right before you black out.
Shapeshifter, like in Werewolf.
It's called voluntary apnea.
To me, it's just another dumb animal.
It's like no matter how much you're freaking out,
I'm gonna risk my life for your girlfriend?
the instinct to not let any water in is so strong that you won't open your mouth until you feel like your head's exploding.
Your stupid little teenage crush means absolutely nothing!
Then when you finally do let it in, that's when it stops hurting.
You've seen Derek, that's totally alone.
It's not scary anymore. It's actually kind of peaceful.
Survivor of a pack that was hunted down, maybe even murdered, possibly alone by his own choice.
Don't you know the lone wolf never survives without a pack?
I may be the one taking the beating there, but you've already been beaten.
Sour face.
You're gonna torture me. Are you just gonna talk to the death of?
Dude, that was Derek Hale. You remember, right? He's only like a few years older than us.
Remember all the fun we had together?
Remember what?
His family? Time you burned my family alive.
He's such a sour wolf.
You're running. And once you start, you don't stop. You'll always be running.
I don't trust anyone.
You decided.
It's not like we want to.
What do you want?
Since I just turned 16 a month ago, I wouldn't mind getting my license. I can't do that if I'm dead, you know.
Well, I told you there was a price.
You didn't say it would be like this.
But I told you how to survive. You do it as a path.